This easy-to-make dessert is a game-changer for busy holiday hosts, requiring no baking and minimal preparation time. Made with a healthy oat crust and a creamy 3-ingredient cheesecake filling, these bite-sized treats are sure to be a hit at any holiday gathering. To make the oat crust, simply pulse 1 cup rolled oats in a food processor or blender until they're finely ground. Add 2 tablespoons melted and cooled butter, 1 teaspoon powdered cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons honey. Mix the ingredients well until you get a sticky, crumbly mixture. Use a lined muffin tin to hold the mini cheesecakes. Fill each of the cupcake liners with the oat crust using a cookie scoop. Press the crust mixture into the bottom of each individual liner using a spoon and with your fingers slightly flatten the crust. We will place the crust in the fridge to chill while we prepare the cheesecake filling. 8 ounces softened cream cheese in a medium-sized mixing bowl. If you need to quickly soften the cream cheese, all you need to do is submerge the cream cheese sealed in its foil wrapping in warm water for about 10 minutes. Next, we will add 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. The lemon juice adds the delicious tangy taste to the cheesecake. Beat until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Add the cheesecake filling on top of the oat crust, using a spatula to spread the filling evenly. Once you've added the toppings, pop the cheesecakes in the fridge to chill for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Just a simple, delicious, and healthy dessert that's perfect for the holidays or for any day. I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy!